Hi, my name is Phil Curtis. I'm the master electrician with a company called TruNorth Solar out of Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota in the USA. I wanted to show you a phase loss test to pass what the utility requirements are. This is a three-phase building. We've installed solar on the roof. There's 39 Q-cell solar panels, 430 watts each. We've used 3 single-phase inverters instead of one expensive 3-phase inverter, and it's a delta high leg system coming from the utility, which means that on the phases we've got 120 to ground, 120 to ground, and 208 to ground. In order to pass this phase loss test where you lose one phase and all 3 inverters shut down, SolarEdge at the moment does not have a good software solution. So what we've done is we've installed a phase monitoring relay, some fuses for protection, a contactor, which the phase monitoring relay controls the coil in the back there, and this is the source voltage to the combiner panel. So what I'm going to show you in 3 videos plus a 4th showing you the external equipment on the outside of this building is the phase loss test and how it works. Before I do this, let's make sure that all inverters are producing. We are online right now. We do have monitoring on 2 of the phases. So safety glasses are on. I'm going to pull the bottom fuse. That's going to trip the phase monitoring relay. That's going to fault the inverters. There's that. We've got a fault, and a fault. 0 line voltage. I'll post the other videos. I'm going to pull phase 2 and phase the 3rd phase, A, B, and C, and you'll be able to see that it works with each phase. Again, Phil Curtis, TruNorth Solar. That's TruNorthSolar.com. I'll be happy to help you guys out if you got any questions or want some quotations on doing solar in your home or business. Thank you. Bye-bye. This is going to be round 2 of our phase loss test. We're going to be testing all 3 phases. Make sure I show you the multimeter light this time. I forgot to show it to you last time. First video I pulled the bottom. This video I'm going to be pulling the high leg. This is a delta high leg system, by the way, so 120 to ground, 120 to ground, 208 to ground. That's why we have to use this combiner box and this setup with a phase monitoring relay. Oh, before I do, I've waited the amount of time, 5 minutes or so. All 3 inverters are back online and producing. We do have line voltage, of course. I'm going to pull a high leg now. We got an error. Multimeter, we've lost voltage. Phase 2, high leg, success. This is our 3rd video of our utility witness test of a phase loss, which turns off all 3 inverters. It's a 3-phase system using 3 single-phase inverters. It's a delta high leg coming from the utility. That is 120, 208, 120. This is a 3rd test, so what I'm going to be doing is pulling the top fuse for the 3 phases. All 3 inverters have cycled back online and are producing. We do have voltage. Here we go. There's our phase monitoring relay trip. Fault, fault, fault. Loss of line voltage. Inverters are off. That's a successful witness test, and it will pass your utility when you're doing a delta high leg system using 3 single-phase inverters on a 3-phase system. This is Phil Curtis with TruNorth Solar out of Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota, USA. Contact us at TruNorthSolar.com, TruNorth, solar, SOLAR.com. We'll be happy to give you a free quotation on your solar needs. Thank you. Bye-bye. I just wanted to show you the outside. This is the 4th video. This is the commercial building. We replace the meter and move it over 1 foot. New utility meter. Going into the disconnect. This is all for the building. This is the feed to the building. And then we're coming out through the EMT conduit. That's our solar production meter. There's our main solar disconnect. Notice the barriers required by 2020 code. Grounded. And then this pipe right here, that's tied into the building's grounding electrode system, which is down in the basement. Thank you.